To achieve my goddess faux locks, you need two things. First, packs of Malibu Afro Kinky from RastAfri Braid. And second, you need some packs of RastAfri Island Crimp. Alright, so let's get started. Now to achieve the waves at the end of your faux locks, that's where the RastAfri Island Crimp comes in. I like my faux locks long, and if you do too, you gotta make sure that you stretch out your Island Crimp. Make it a little uneven to make sure that your braid is long and you have some length in your waves. Now it's time to wrap. I'm grabbing some Malibu Afro Kinky and wrapping around the base braid. Be sure not to wrap too tight and too close to the root. You don't want to put stress on your hair. Now for wrapping the actual braid, make sure you're wrapping kind of snug. You don't want it to unravel. Wrap it all the way down to your desired length and where you want your waves to start. All done. Subscribe to see more of my videos at youtube.com/DJ Dimepiece.